Hey everyone, welcome back to Elite Gear Hub. Today we're checking out the top 5 best rice cookers under $1,000. And you might be wondering why spend so much on a kitchen staple. Well, these premium models are absolute game changers. After extensive testing, I can tell you they go far beyond just cooking rice. We're talking about multi-cookers with pressure cooking, sous vide, and even yogurt making capabilities. The precision and versatility you get at this level are truly impressive, and trust me, the results are restaurant quality. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's dive in. AROMA Pot Style One-Touch Rice Cooker under $1,000. The AROMA Pot Style One-Touch Rice Cooker is perfect for busy households seeking perfectly cooked rice with effortless simplicity. Featuring a straightforward one-touch control panel, this cooker eliminates guesswork, allowing you to prepare fluffy white, brown, or steamed rice at the push of a single button. Its durable, non-stick inner pot ensures easy serving and cleaning, while the included steam tray lets you conveniently prepare vegetables or proteins alongside your grains. The compact pot-style design fits neatly on any countertop without occupying excessive space, and its keep warm function automatically maintains your rice at an ideal temperature until you are ready to serve. Whether you are a novice cook or a seasoned pro, this reliable and affordable appliance delivers consistent results, making it an essential kitchen companion for daily meals under $1,000. AROMA 2-Cup Rice Cooker under $1,000. The AROMA 2-Cup Rice Cooker is perfect for students, singles, or small households seeking perfectly cooked rice without a hefty price tag. Featuring a simple one-touch operation, this compact cooker effortlessly steams fluffy white or brown rice every time, eliminating guesswork. Its durable non-stick inner pot ensures easy serving and cleaning, while the included steam tray allows you to conveniently heat vegetables or dumplings for a complete meal. Made from quality materials, this unit is surprisingly sturdy and designed for daily reliability in a small footprint. Whether you're in a dorm, office, or cozy kitchen, the AROMA 2-Cup Rice Cooker delivers essential functionality and consistent results, making it an incredibly smart and affordable culinary investment. AROMA 3-Cup Rice Cooker under $1,000. The AROMA 3-Cup Rice Cooker is perfect for small households, students, or anyone needing a compact and reliable kitchen companion for under $1,000. Featuring a simple one-touch operation, this cooker effortlessly prepares up to 3 cups of perfect, fluffy rice every time. Its durable non-stick inner pot ensures easy cleaning and even heat distribution for consistent results, while the included steam tray allows you to conveniently steam vegetables or dumplings for a complete meal. Made from quality materials, its sleek and space-saving design fits effortlessly on any countertop or in a dorm room. Whether you're cooking jasmine, brown, or white rice, this essential appliance delivers foolproof performance and incredible value, making it the ideal starter cooker for daily use. AROMA 3-Cup Rice Cooker under $1,000. The AROMA 3-Cup Rice Cooker is perfect for small households, students, or anyone seeking perfectly cooked rice with ultimate simplicity and value. Featuring a one-touch operation with automatic keep warm, this cooker effortlessly transitions from cooking to maintaining your meal at an ideal serving temperature for hours. Its compact and lightweight design ensures it takes up minimal counter or storage space, while the included measuring cup and rice paddle provide everything you need to start cooking immediately. The non-stick inner pot makes for incredibly easy cleaning and serving, eliminating frustrating scrubbing after dinner. Whether you're preparing a quick side dish or a hearty main meal, this reliable and affordable AROMA rice cooker delivers consistent results, making it an essential kitchen companion for effortless daily cooking. BLACK+DECKER Rice Cooker under $1,000. The BLACK+DECKER Rice Cooker is perfect for home chefs seeking perfectly cooked rice and effortless meals without the premium price tag. Featuring a simple one-touch operation, this appliance takes the guesswork out of cooking, delivering consistently fluffy results every time. Its generous capacity is ideal for preparing family dinners or meal prepping for the week ahead, while the included steam tray allows you to conveniently cook vegetables or proteins simultaneously for a complete meal. Made from durable, non-stick materials, the inner pot ensures easy serving and quick cleanup without any stubborn residue. Compact and reliable, this rice cooker is an essential kitchen helper that provides outstanding value, making it a smart choice for anyone wanting to simplify their cooking routine with dependable performance.